What is up, y'all? Merry Christmas. I am in ultimate chill mode right now. Everybody is out there having a good time. I said, let me come in here, talk to y'all really quickly. Yesterday we had such a good time. We did pajamas, we had drinks, we had games. We played Family Feud. I didn't even know they had a Family Feud card game that you could play, download the buzzer, all the things. Did not know that. Monopoly, that didn't fly too hot with everybody, but we did Uno was always a hit. Jenga, we ate, we did Alfredo, we had steak, we had fried chicken, salad rolls, you know, all the drinks, champagne. We just had a good time. Today is just a straight chill day. We done got up early, opened up gifts. I done freshened up a little bit, you know, just put on a little outfit for the house. And yeah, we just chilling. And I just want to thank you for participating in Vlogmas with me. I've never finished Vlogmas. And let me tell you something. It feels good. It feels good. It feels good. It feels good. It's just accomplishing something, a personal accomplishment. It wasn't to it was just for me to just do it, and I did it, and I was like, you know what, I'm happy I did it. I'm happy I did it. But we're ready to open up our gifts. Everybody's happy. I am happy. So you know we going shopping, because everybody know, just give me a gift card and I'm happy. I'm you ain't gotta do much work for me. What else? I got 2 Coach bags that I'll have my eye on. I cannot wait. Some cute little dainty ones. What else did I get? I got a bunch of gift cards. Some loungewear, you know, because my kids hate the fact that, you know, I got a pair of Adidas pants on right now and a black tee. You know, I'm okay right now. But they be like, Mom, I need you to get more loungewear. So, and I have a ton, but some, y'all, ain't nothing like that good old t-shirt number. You know what I mean? Y'all feel me, right? But I just wanted to come in and say thank you. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas with friends, family, alone, however you choose to do it. Just enjoy the moment. And if you don't celebrate, that's okay as well. You know, just take the time to reflect, whatever you choose to do, or just live it as a normal day, which is a normal day, you know what I mean? But I just want to come in. I just want to say thank you. I so appreciate each and every one of you. I'm just so thankful. I'm going to take the ultimate break from doing videos, shorts, anything of that nature. I mean, if my spirit brings it to me, then I'm definitely going to put it out there. But I definitely feel like I need to take a nice cool break until the new year, which is only like a week. So yeah, because I don't have anything recorded. I don't have anything. And it's just like, okay, just enjoy. But I just want to come in and just, you know, close off Vlogmas and say thank you. I so appreciate each and every one of you, especially the ones who've been here with me for years. I mean, my day one, people that came in, whatever time you came in, I appreciate you. Folks that came from Keita's channel, thank you. Folks that came from Lori's channel, thank you. Folks that just found me in your For You or your the front page or the sidebar, wherever you found me, thank you. I so appreciate you. I'm just happy everyone's here. So yeah, enjoy your day. Merry Christmas. And I'll be back before the new year. I know I will. I'm talking crap like, yeah, I'm taking a break, but I know I'll be back. Like, I ain't going nowhere. Hey, y'all see I got my mic sitting here. This is my little area. I still ain't go to at home. Now we're going to have some conversation. I still ain't go to at home and get the little pillow. I want to get a little pillow. This kind of put like right here, kind of little accent, something. I want to get a little throw blanket or something like that to put right here. I just want to do something, but, and you know, gotta get my little tree to, you know, to put right here, because I wanted to, you know, spruce this little area up and whatnot. I kind of like this frame right here. I keep saying I'm not using this camera no more. This is my Canon G7X. I keep saying I'm gonna use my big camera. The big camera is downstairs. We've been taking pictures, having a good time. But I like this frame right here. I really do. So I'm thinking about for the podcast, for those of you who are not following me on my podcast, it's called We Age Graceful Podcast. And it will be somewhere in the description, homepage, whatever. So I'm thinking about just having it like this. This is a nice setup. Once I get my blanket and I get my tree, we be good. It's a nice, cool, close frame. I think I like this. What do you guys think? Y'all Merry Christmas. Y'all enjoy y'all day. And I'm going to enjoy mine. And I'm going to relax. And just chill out. Thank y'all.